Yo, hello everyone. If you are a basketball fan, buying NBA tickets online can be a great way to secure a spot at the games. In this video, we will show you how to buy NBA tickets online quickly and easily so you can focus on cheering on your favorite team. So now, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. Yo, now all you gotta do is simply go ahead and launch your browser. Then go to the URL section and search for Seat Geek. So this is the website that we are going to use to actually get to buy tickets. Now go and click over here and click on the first link. And simply now all you have to do is go to this right top corner and click on login. Since we don't have an account already, click on sign up here and then put here your email address, the full name, and then a password of your choice. And here you have to make sure of upper case and lower case letters, so you have to make it a little bit harder for them to get the password. So here we go, sign up now, and numbers and symbols. Okay, let's add some symbols, and now it shall be created successfully. And as you can see, this is the account, and here you might see the tickets that you have bought. So this is your history. Here you can even see and sell your own ticket that you have, for example, for MLB ticket, e-ticket, NFL tickets. So whatever kind of tickets, you can actually sell them here. And basically, for example, how to do so, click here, search for MLB team, for example, and here go to your Diamondbacks account manager, for example, like that. As you can see, I have to use VPN to actually get the access to this website, but in general, all you have to do is choose whatever ticket and you'll be able to actually sell your own tickets over here. Here, for example, for NFL, you can go here, add game, and then choose what kind of section, 103, row 1, quantity, 5, next. Here, add the seat and the barcode, seat, barcode for each one, and then upload the tickets over here. So it is very easy, guys, to actually start selling tickets on this website, but that's not what we are going to show you in this video. This video we are going to show you how to actually start buying tickets through this website. So now, as you may see, this is the these are like the most popular event that you might see. So these are concerts, NFL, MLB, NBA. There is more: NHL, MLS, Broadway, comedy, NCAA, NCAA, WWE, tennis, and finally here fighting and golf. So these are all the categories that you can find. For example, here in fighting, you will find some kind of WWE, you will find some kickboxing, some kind of wrestling, UFC. If there was any kind of like, this kind of 1v1 between YouTubers like KSI events and etc., you might find them in here as well. So everything will be here. Also, guys, here you can find the most popular 2023 NFL games that are upcoming. So you can actually reserve from now the tickets for some games. As you can see here, it's at Cowboys, Bengals at Titans. So these are all the games that you can find for NFL games. They are all here, and these are like the most popular ones that are in the next month. Here, the same thing for MLB, which is over here. All these are all tickets available for you to buy. And how to know if they are available or not, you can just check here the price. So these are the prices. If there was no prices like here, you can just check it from like click on it, and as you may see here, there is actually the prices, so everything is available at the moment. So hurry up and start getting your tickets right now before you lose them. And if you are a fan of concerts, of pop, etc., you can go here, choose what kind of category of pop you'd like. Here, this is alternative, classic rock, country, indie, and much more. As you can see, for example, here you might find even like the popular concerts. For example, for Taylor Swift, here or all the Taylor Swift concerts, and they are pretty expensive to be honest. Like 1900 for a concert. I mean, yeah, it is up to you guys. Here, as you can see, find tickets. You can find all these tickets for these concerts, and there is much more than that. For example, Ed Sheeran, Shaq Reagan, and your favorite singer will be here 100%. So once your singer announced that there will be a concert in the next upcoming month or days, make sure to check this website. You will find his concert on this website listed, so you can get your tickets and make sure you get it on the first row, so you can meet your singer and try to get to talk to him. But yeah, overall, that's what the website is going to do. And now let's continue with our video. So basically, guys, as I showed you, here you might find the NBA games that you are looking for. So just by clicking on NBA category, you will find all the list of the upcoming games that are in this weekend, for example. So these are the popular games that are in May, as you may see here, for May 14, 20, 17, and much more. And as you may notice, the closest the game is, the highest or the lowest the price will be. So it depends actually. Well, it depends on what, guys? It depends on the importance of the game and, of course, the teams that are playing. So as you can see here, for example, if I click down, you'll find here Angels Lakers game. So here you might find all like the stadium map, and you can choose from here where do you want to sit. And for example, if you'd like to sit here outside listings from 32K, you can actually get to sit outside the field of the match and get for 32K, which is insane amount of money. And you can get this for 500, 500. So the actual seats are pretty high in price now. As you can see, suits B, suits B4 are all very expensive, and the prices are varying so much. So for the farthest to the closest, the closer you get, the highest the price will be. Of course, you can go here and choose how much the quantity that you want. So there is a filter here, as you can see, to choose the quantity and price per ticket. So you can actually choose which is the range of the price that you'd like to buy the tickets with. So you can make it around 14K, and let's choose 9 tickets. And as you can see here, we have found 9 tickets with this range of 400 to 1400. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 tickets that you can choose from and buy for this kind of price, and you can get some random spots over here. Of course, you don't know what kind of chair you will be in, as you only thing you will get is the where are you going to be, which section. But for the chair, it is completely uh, kind of like anonymous until you get the ticket, and you will find your seat on the ticket itself. So it is very easy to use. Now after you choose like the place, you can simply just click here and then choose go to checkout. After that, simply put here your mobile phone, and then you have to continue to the billing where you're gonna fill your payment methods, and then you're gonna be done. So this is as simple as that, and that was it to today's video. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.